So we're gonna keep things really simple and learn about just the 3 parts of the hammer that are actually important. So you have the face of the hammer, and this is the part that hits the nail. You have the claw of the hammer, and this is the part that can help pull nails out. And then you have the handle, and this is the part that you hold. Whoa, who would have thought? Next thing, when you hold your hammer, you're gonna want to grab the handle and then have your thumb pointing up. And that will help you keep the hammer straight, and the straighter your hammer, the less likely you are to lose a finger. Unless that's like an aesthetic you're going for. It's usually not though. You're gonna want to take a nail and you put it in your wood. For this part, you can scoot up the hammer a little bit if you want more control. Hold the nail near the top so that if you miss, you're not gonna smash your fingers directly into the wood. You have like some space. Delta T is bigger for those of you physics nerds out there. So hold the nail near the top, and you're just gonna tap, 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 so that it's there. Once the nail is roughly where you want it to be, I scoot down the hammer so that I have more force. It's basically a lever arm, so the longer the lever, the more force the hammer will apply and the less force I have to apply. Good tool use is all about being lazy. So make sure your downswing is, you end up where this is 90 degrees. So that you really don't want to end up here, because then your nail will bend. And then you just... Now, make sure that the hammer is doing as much work as possible. So I'm using a 12-ounce hammer, so I actually have to apply some force. But if you have a bigger hammer and a smaller nail, it's really just let the weight of the hammer do the work. There we go. And now, our pieces of wood are attached. Signing off, this is Beauty and the Bolt. All right, I'm done. For real. I'm not, because I nailed it.